you want to offer Move-In Certified. Move-In Certified is a program that certified professional inspectors can enroll in, and it's free. And the ultimate goal is to get your inspection reports in the hands of people looking for homes to buy. That's amazing. That's the ultimate goal. Can I get my inspection report that we've been working on, right? Throughout this masterclass, we've been working on the inspection report a lot. We've been talking about it a lot, looking at other reports and improving your narratives and all that stuff. Now, how do you get this report in the hands of potential clients, in the hands of people driving through your neighborhood, looking for homes to buy and home inspectors to hire? Move-In Certified. So here's how you do it. You enroll in the Move-In Certified program, and you start doing inspections for sellers that are about to list their home. So there's a real estate agent often involved. They'll schedule your inspection. It's a full home inspection, and your client is the home seller. And you put a sign in the yard that says, "This home is Move-In Certified. I'm looking to see if I have a sign." So you put a sign in the yard and it says, "This home has been pre-inspected by Big Ben Inspections." And there's a big logo about Move-In Certified. It looks beautiful. So now you're marketing not only to home buyers, but home sellers. And there's an advantage for the home seller to get their home pre-inspected. One of the best ones is so that if something comes up during an inspection, it's not at the very last minute, 11th hour of negotiating, right? During a typical home inspection, home inspector will come in and maybe that home inspector will find a defect, and now they have to negotiate. Instead of just going straight to closing, they now have to negotiate over prices or maybe get something fixed. The seller can now take advantage of that pre-inspection and find out what's wrong with the house and fix it, and then list it as Move-In Certified so that the sell goes quicker and moves faster. So learn how to put your report in the hands of potential clients by enrolling in the Move-In Certified program, so that when you put your inspection report for the home seller on the kitchen counter, you put not just one, you put a dozen home reports, all printed out, all in color, maybe bound in a 3-ring binder with all this stuff in your home maintenance book and all of your business cards and you just lay it all out. And it's a Move-In Certified home inspection service. You inspected the house, and now you have your inspection reports on the kitchen counter. And now the seller wants to sell the home. And the real estate agent brings over 50 people to look at the home, especially during an open house. And what is laying on the kitchen counter? Copies of your inspection report, which is designed, because we've been working on it, right, is designed to sell your inspection services. It's designed to be easy to read and clear to understand why you're the best inspector and why I should hire you and how to get in contact with you. And at the end of the inspection report, they should be convinced that, oh, this is the inspector we need. And now maybe they don't like the house. They went through the open house, they took your report as courtesy, and they went back in the car and they're going to the next home. And they're driving around looking at all the homes for sale. And as soon as they find a home for sale, they need to hire a home inspector. And what's in their hands? Your inspection report. It's really brilliant. It's a really good program. So click here and get to the Move-In Certified program. And here's what it looks like. So register right now and get into performing pre-listing inspections through the Move-In Certified program.